Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to clean your vehicle interior plastics correctly. Now you may just use the method where you get your favourite interior cleaner, you spray it on, you get a microfiber, you give it a wipe, you let it dry, and then you're looking at the interior plastics and it's still dirty and you're wondering what's going on. Now there's two things that you can change to improve the overall look and appearance of getting the dirt out of the vehicle plastics. Now if I just zoom in, I will show you, as you can see, most vehicle interior plastics isn't smooth, it's actually textured, and what happens is the dirt or the muck gets into the lower sections, and then when you get your microfiber and you're just wiping it across, what you're actually doing is just skimming the surface of the plastics and all the dirt that's trapped in the little bits that are lower down. Just by spraying your interior cleaner and wiping it, doesn't get to it. So one way that you can change to improve that, just zoom out again, is one, instead of using cold water, if you get a bucket, fill it up with warm water, rinse your microfiber. Warm water works better than cold water. Or the second option is to get an interior brush, smooth interior brush, and as you can see, just by working it in to the plastics, just doing it in a circular motion, what's happening is the cleaner is actually getting into the lower area, and then you can just leave the interior cleaner, depending on the weather. If it's quite warm you have to be mindful, but if it's quite cool, you can leave the cleaner to dwell for a little bit longer, but the soft brush will help to get into them lower areas. And then getting your microfiber, giving it a wipe again, you should notice that that the plastic's a lot cleaner afterwards. And if it's still a little bit mucky, just repeat the method, spraying your favourite cleaner on, working the product in again, leaving it for a short while, giving it a wipe with your microfiber, and hopefully that will do the job. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload. Ta-da for now.